In the bustling heart of Calgary, where the Bow River glistens and Fifth Avenue beckons with promise, lies an extraordinary opportunity for newcomers. The Skills Studio invites you to participate in a dynamic one-day workshop designed specifically for new immigrants, students, or anyone looking to revitalize their career. This engaging event is focused on building employability skills essential for navigating the competitive job market in Canada. Picture a diverse group of enthusiastic participants gathered in a welcoming environment, each person driven by the same goal, to enhance their career prospects. As you walk along the scenic banks of the Bow River, envision the waves of opportunity that await you. Our workshop will equip you with invaluable tools such as resume writing, interview techniques, and networking strategies, ensuring you are prepared to seize those opportunities with confidence. As the day unfolds, you'll not only gain knowledge but also new connections with fellow participants who share your aspirations. Every conversation is a chance to build a supportive community where experiences and stories intersect. The energy is palpable, and with each share of knowledge, participants feel empowered to take their next steps. Join us at the Skills Studio in Calgary to unlock your potential and let your career take flight. Together, we will explore the vibrant city, bringing together the talents and ambitions of its most diverse residents, each determined to thrive.